Hello. In this video, I will review the easy reward to risk RRR indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us when we want to open a position by showing us different entry points for that position, depending on the stop loss we consider. For example, I want to open a buy position here. I'll hit the buy button here.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
You'll see that a risk reward panel is activated for me. I can set the entry point by taking and understanding this panel where I want to enter. And by dragging the red part or the stable, I can place the stable where I want it. You can see that here it shows us the resumption of entry of one or the same 100%, which is here. That is, if I want to enter here, I put my stable on the entry point and down here. In order to have a one-to-one position and a one-to-one tip, I need to place the tip on this point. Let's review the features of this indicator together. The first option is the number of labels I want to have for the tip, which can vary between 1 and 5. For example, if I want to have 2 profit ticks, I set this to 2 here. And when I activate this, it considers 2 tips for me, one on the respawn entry 1 and one on the respawn entry 2. The next option determines the stop plus amount that will be activated when we press these buttons and the responsive panel is activated. The default is on the level. We can adjust this amount according to our own positions. We have a buy option and a sell option for risk-taking in long or buy positions, such as a buy alternative option, and a sell option for risk-taking in short or sell positions. There is a horizontal option here that says if we click this, the panel will be horizontal or horizontal. And here again, if we click vertical, we have this panel vertically or vertically. This panel has the power to grasp. If we grab and hold here, we can grasp this panel and place it in anywhere on the chart we like. And the last option, when we have an input relay here, this option specifies these tip rates as a percentage. If we click again, it specifies in text that this is, for example, a tippy pan, and we can change this as we like. There is another mode for this panel where we can minimize this panel by opening this button and place it in a corner of the chart so that we can see the chart better. When we need the panel again, we can maximize the panel again by opening this button. We can also use the MT4 version of this indicator in MetaTrader 4. Again, we have the number of levels. Here we can enter the stables to the point, and we have the same buy button and also the sell button, and we can approximate the stables, and we can also understand this panel by grabbing and dragging, and we have the horizontal and vertical modes and the rate as well. We can display the rates based in percentage or text format. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, feel free to share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.